Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download movies and shows from the DramaBox app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the DramaBox app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi because downloading videos can use a lot of data. On the home screen, browse or use the search bar to find the drama or movie you want to download. Tap on the title to open its detail and episode list. Next to each episode, you will see a download icon. Tap the download button to start saving that episode to your phone. If you want multiple episodes, tap the download icon on each one. Some apps may ask you to choose video quality, peak higher or best clarity, or low to save space. Once downloading starts, tap the download tab at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see all the episodes and movies you have saved. Wait until the download bar completes, then the video is ready to watch offline. And that's it. That's how you can easily download movies and shows from the DramaBox to watch offline on your phone anytime. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.